So digging out this fence post here, a little thing I do to dig fence posts out and make it a bit easier is I work down one side like this, as deep as I can get to, preferably as deep as the post. This one's really rotten, so when I go to pull it out, it's highly likely to snap here, I think. But I can get my spade in the back there and pull the post into the space I've created, then clean up round it to get the new post in and cement it in. Obviously being careful not to hit any surfaces. There could be surfaces anywhere. I mean, this post is higher than the ridge of the house, the garden's so steep, but you never know, there could always be something there. So that's the plan. So I can pull it forward like this, and you can see it's worked itself in. It hasn't snapped actually, so there we go. Snap now. It's absolutely rotten, but that's gone into that area there. Pull out that post like that. Just look at that, rotten. And now I can dig in here, clean out to the bottom, clean around big enough for what my post is for putting my concrete back in, and that's my little way of digging fence posts out, digging old rotten fence posts out. That's what I do to make it easier. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.